Hi, I'm Luiza and today we'll be making this cute candle perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm reusing an old candle jar, but I just made sure to clean it really well. I wanted the lid to be extra cute as well, so I painted it pink. I'm using acrylic paint and I ended up doing 2 coats. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. While waiting for the lid to dry completely, I'm drawing some hearts on the jar itself using an acrylic marker. Actually, I'm using more markers in different shades of pink. I wanted to write on the lid with the marker as well, but it didn't show up as good as I wanted it to, so I just went over with some traditional acrylic paint. This is how it looks after it has completely dried. I really like how it turned out and I can't wait to pour a candle in it. When making a candle, it is really important to choose the correct size wick. For this, you need to measure the diameter of your container and choose the appropriate wick. I'm using soy wax and I'm melting it using the double boiler method. I don't recommend melting it in the microwave, as if it gets to a too higher temperature it might deteriorate. If you want to color the wax, now is the perfect moment to do it. I'm using a yellow pigment. Make sure to stir really well so that the color blends perfectly. Once the wax gets at 179 Celsius, you can add the fragrance. You need to make sure that you stir really well for 2 minutes. You can pour it once it gets to 175. If you don't have a wick stabilizer, you can just use 2 pieces of tape to keep the wick in place. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye!